Use of do and does. Do you go to school? Do you swim? Do you write? Do you sing? Do you dance? Do you write? Do they go to park? Do you speak English? Do you eat? Do you cook? Do you enjoy? Do you miss me? Do you love me? Do you sleep? Do you walk? Do you read? What does your mother do? What does she teach? Do you have the receipt? Do you have a pet? What does she do? Do you have a favorite restaurant? She doesn't have her own style. He does the laundry. She does the dishes. Does he do the housework? I do not like him. I do my homework regularly. She does some creative work. He does not write a story. How do I do this to you? She does her hair daily. I do believe in myself.